we have a neutralization reaction, and they want us to actually calculate what volume of 0.02 molar calcium hydroxide is required to neutralize 35 milliliters of 0.05 molar nitric acid. And they're nice enough to actually give us the equation for it. And the first thing you do with an equation is to make sure it's balanced. So I'm going to start with the calcium. I have a calcium on the left and a calcium on the right. I have a nitrate. I look at it as a unit. The nitrate on the left. I have 2 on the right. So let's fix that by putting a 2 right here. And now I have 4 hydrogens on the left. I only have 2 hydrogens on the right. And let's go real quick. Oxygens, 6 oxygens plus 2 oxygens, that's 8. I have 6, 1, that's 7. So if I actually put a 2 right here, that fixes our hydrogens and our oxygens. But I'm going to check real quick. So that's 6, 7, 8. And I have 6, 7, 8. Yep. Yes, we did. All right. So I need to know how much nitric acid I have. And that way I can calculate how much calcium hydroxide I'm going to need. Real quick. We convert the milliliters to liters by moving the decimal point 3 spaces to the left. So we have 0.035 liters of nitric acid times the molarity. So for every liter of that solution, I have 0.05 moles of nitric acid. According to the equation, I need 2 moles of nitric acid for every mole of calcium hydroxide. So I'm going to need that right here. So 2 moles of nitric acid for every mole of calcium hydroxide. I'm going to check real quick that everything is canceling. Moles of nitric acid, moles of nitric acid. So right now I have the moles of calcium hydroxide right here. And I do have the molarity of the calcium hydroxide. And it's 0.02 moles of calcium hydroxide for every liter of calcium hydroxide solution. So when you plug all that into the computer, you get 0.0438 liters of calcium hydroxide. Let's really quick convert the liters to milliliters this time. So we're going to do the opposite. Going from liters to milliliters, we're going to move the decimal point 3 times to the right. So that would be 43.8 milliliters of calcium hydroxide. That's how you do it.